we're the Pratts. I'm Simone.
I'm Tim.
And we want to show you our family and show you a little bit of our house and who we are. So this is our brownstone. And we moved in here about 6 years ago. It's a historic brownstone in Bed-Stuy. We renovated it from top to bottom. And we live on the parlor floor and the garden floor, the first and second floor. So on the parlor floor we have our living room slash playroom slash dining room slash entertaining room. It's everything in this one room right here. And our kitchen. We spend most of our time in the kitchen actually on this island. So we do homework here, we eat here, and when we entertain we kind of all congregate around here. So this is a good feeling for where we spend most of our time. As you can see, we try to utilize every nook and cranny. We have toys, you know, coming out of the seams everywhere. But we tried to make, you know, the most of storage, even utilizing under the stairs here. So I'm going to take you downstairs so you can see our bedroom and our boys' room. And we might even venture into the scary basement. I don't know if y'all ready for that. But let's take you downstairs so you can meet our boys. We have a 4-year-old and a 1.5-year-old. Let's come inside. It's time for bed. So. Hey guys!
No! Mine! I want to see that video.
Jackson, what's your name?
My name's Eden.
How old are you?
Now it's Eden. My name is 4. And I'm going to get 5 I grow up.
Well, this is our bedroom. And it's basically a room with 4 walls and 2 windows. If you look, you'll see that there are toys, potties, kids' DVDs, basically toys everywhere. So this is the one room where you would hope that this would be the adult escape that we might be able to have, but unfortunately or fortunately, it's the congregating room. So this is the one room that we actually need a lot of help. So
yeah, I'm gonna take you through and show you our bathroom, and I'll also show you the boys' room. Again, this is our shared bathroom. This is the boys' room, which is where all their toys and stuff should be, but somehow it migrated all into our bedroom.
Actually all over the house.
Yeah, they took over. But basically, yeah, what we're trying to do is just create sort of like a haven in our bedroom. Yeah. So right now, we don't have one. We don't have any space for us. So it'd be nice.
I want to see my video.
Hold on. So yeah, right now, we just like to have something just for us. You know, just a space for us. Just as a couple, as adults. You know, nothing blinking, nothing making noise and talking. So
just a quiet haven. That would just be when the lights go out, the kids go down, that we have our own space. That's just a little bit more. Like if you would pay attention in the room, you would see that it was just basically 2 mattresses and a box spring and a bunch of pillows. So we don't even have a real bed.
No headboard. That'd be nice. Headboard would be nice.
Anything. I mean, our ultimate dream would be able to have sort of an escape room that would be in the basement. If that wouldn't be possible, then we understand. But if we could at least have a bedroom that was made for adults, that would be wonderful. Maybe we could take a quick peek down into the basement, and to give you a little bit of an idea.
I'm not going down there.
It's too scary. My wife doesn't ever come.
What are you doing, Jackson?
But as you'll see, that it's always a maze. Just 1 second, Jackson. It's always a maze to try to get anywhere because there are strollers and bikes and toys to get anywhere. But I'm gonna give you a little bit of an idea of what it's like down here. But it is total madness, and as you can see, it's just not much but scariness going on down here, so we'll quickly go back upstairs. But that's basically it. So we hope you got a little bit of a sense of who we are.
Say bye-bye.
And what the Pratts are. Say bye, Jackson.
We'll say night-night because it's time to go to bed. Night-night,
Mommy, Daddy, but
Jackson, say night-night.
But I don't want a video. No.
Okay, say night-night.
Night-night. No.
Bye.
No,